Stop! Stop! Stop me for here. Accident won't happen for front.
Oga. God bless you, sir.
Amen.
How did you manage to know that there will be an accident?
My brother, no accident for anywhere. I don't get transport. See us.
If only you can see the pain in my heart. If only you can see. If only you can see.